Once again, we are excited to join the 365 EduCon conference, and we're going to be doing our workshop once again. And it's different, John, every single time we do it. But this time, everything you want to know about Power BI, but we're afraid to ask, is coming to a city near you. So come out and join us. You get to ask all of your questions. We're going to go soup to nuts on the entirety of Power BI. John, what do you think? Are you excited about this?
I am absolutely excited about this. I mean, the corpus grows every time we do this session. There's a lot more to talk about every single time. There's usually a brand new wow every single time. So if you think you know Power BI, there's probably something you don't know about that we'll show you. And if you don't know Power BI, we'll walk you through it. You'll come out as a Power BI star.
Yeah, this is definitely a good workshop for both beginners and the Power BI power user as well. We're going to go through a lot of really cool stuff. Let's be honest, this is a 90% demo thing. We do a lot of talking at the beginning, and then the entire second half of the day is just John doing demo after demo after demo.
Not just
really
me.
Cool. Yeah, but it's more fun when you do it, John, because
that's just because you can chime in on me.
So, but anyway, the other thing that we like is when you bring your problems from your office to come and ask us questions. So please come ask your questions. The reason why we call this, but we're afraid to ask, is because we're expecting you to come and ask the questions. I always say it at the beginning of every workshop. If you leave here without asking your question, we call that your fault. Come out and join us. Looking forward to seeing you.
See you there.